Alright, well, shout out all those people that said, why'd you buy a new frame? Isn't your frame good? Hell no. Look at that. Guys, what is up? Welcome back to the channel. We got episode 22 and filmed a whole bunch of stuff. This video is all over the map, but I'm just gonna get right to it. Say keep watching and let's see what we get done. All right, guys, well, a little recap. Remember we stripped the whole tail section. I have decided to order a new trunk. So the trunk will be here at the end of the month. Today, the game plan is to strip the doors. And when I say that, I mean take them off and strip the insides of them. Both doors. Today, I got my dad coming to help me take the doors off. And he's gonna help me take the hood off. Because those are things I don't want to damage and or do by myself. And then I'm going to try and get the outer fenders, the inner fenders, and basically strip from the firewall forward. That's the goal, is get as much of the new parts off the car, because when it goes to Howie, he was talking about he just wants what he's going to be working on. So that's the goal today is, you know, like they say when you're building a car, you build it, take it apart, build it, take it apart. That's what we're doing today. So, let's get to it. All right, get you guys out of the sun, show you what we got going on. So, see, we got the fenders off. The goal now is to get this bolt off and this bolt off, and they have nuts from underneath. These mounts are attached to the valance, and all of this is connected, but my goal is to literally take the valance, core support, everything off in one piece, hopefully. So that's what I'm gonna get to. All right, guys. Hey, what's up, Dad?
Love you.
Love you. How you doing?
Good.
All right. It's hot out, but a lot of stuff to do.
Yeah.
I got the fenders off. The doors are to come off, but I didn't want to do that without you. I figured you could help me. I greased them up, or I greased this door already.
Okay.
I was going to do these, but because that the hood...
We gotta take the hood off first.
Yeah, the hood, and then I think the brackets could stay, but then this will come off. Because I couldn't take those off with that hole, and then all the pressure will go off. Right. So I think the goal is, let me get this last bolt off. We'll take this off.
Okay.
And then the hood, I guess, is the next plan.
This come off together?
That's my plan, is take this, and this all as one piece, hopefully.
One piece. Okay.
Hopefully this one's not tight. Yeah. I don't know why I put these on finger tight. I have to buy the new struts, but I'm not doing that right now. Yeah. How do you charge $700 for hinges? And what's weird is my buddy, I got all the shows with him. He built, at the last Tampa show, I was helping him do a setup, and he built mounts that he sticks in there because his cylinders went out too. And I'm like, damn, is that something common? He's like, I just don't want to replace the things. So he just built a piece of aluminum that sits in there, and they just, when it closes, it just sits on there and doesn't close the hood. But it's like, I guess it's a common thing, but why is everybody buying these if they don't work? But today, what's the goal? What's the goal? What are we gonna do today? I'd like to take the rear bumper off. I'd like to take the gas tank out. I don't know how to, but I'm gonna look into taking his back window out. I got a friend coming over, gonna help me hang the doors today. I'd like to take this bumper off and hang this door. I think that's the goal. If we could get all this stuff done this week, then the car will be ready to send out to the metal shop. And then when she comes back, the only thing on it that will be OG is the firewall, the roof, and the trunk pans. I was not planning to do this when I bought this car. But that's why she's lemon lime. Alright, well, shout out all those people that said, why'd you buy a new frame? Isn't your frame good? Hell no. Look at that. Oh, and look at that. Let me just move the crap out of your way. But yeah, that is not quality. And those welds are not quality. Look at that crap. That's horrible. Horrible. Here's another angle. Cheese whiz. I think I'm better with my hot glue gun. But look at that, man. That's horrible quality. Let's look at how straight it is. It's not straight at all. This one's really bent, because you can see this horrible kink right here. It's trash. This car is trash. I never should have bought this car, but you can hear my voice. I laugh about it to keep myself from crying. Because look at it. I mean, the whole inside it's why this part isn't connected. This isn't connected because when it hit, boom, it bent this in, collapsed all of that because the metal's old. Creased the top, bent the top, and bent this out. This frame is trash. And let's not forget, see if I can zoom in and show you. Don't forget, there's no bottom to this frame. Can you see in there? Remember that part? Remember that part? There is no frame. So, I bought a frame and I sent it to the pros, and they got a really nice rolling chassis. Literally a frame for hopping. Even though I don't plan to hop this car, I could three-wheel really high and not have to worry about twisting it. So guys, that is why I bought a new frame. That is why I bought a new frame. Alright, here's the second thing I want to do today. I've had these for a while. I'd like to switch them with these because I'd like to get these up on Marketplace for sale. But I have to make sure that if I sell these, that I have a way to, you know, put this car or keep this car on wheels. So I've measured them. I believe it's like 2 3/4 or something like that. I measured this one, looks 2 3/4. Whatever the measurement was, they look exactly the same. So I'm gonna jack it up, try and swap these wheels, and see if I get this one on. I got a friend on the way here to help me with the doors today, so see if I get this done before they get here. Alright guys, well, just checking in. So I got one of the brand new doors, passenger side. Last night I put the handle in, I put the latch in, so when we hang it, we have something to open and close it with. But, you know, we got the bumper off, we got the wheels swapped. I got both the doors ready to go. And they're on the way, so I'll see you when they get here. I did all that I'm gonna do. I wanted to keep some of these, but I got rid of that horrible weld line. Yeah, I don't want to be like everybody else. I want to build a car that's mine instead of everybody's like, oh, it has to be this, it has to be that. All right, I'll roll it back a little bit. Get it low. Come this way. Get it low. Ready? All right. Cool. That'll do it. I could get the rest of the way from there. Whew. Hello, rider. Man, I can't wait to be able to do that. Cool, thanks guys. And that's what it's all about, guys. Having good friends in the car community that are willing to help you do the hard work. Well, guys, ending the day with ice cold lemon lime. And I had a list of things I wanted to do, but got some of them done. We got the important parts done. Got the doors hung. We got the front bumper off. I got the wheels on. I'm gonna list the other doors on Marketplace. I'm gonna list the wheels on Marketplace. I'm probably gonna put the bumper on Marketplace. But I think I'm gonna call it this episode and just try and do a little edit, put together. Like I said, there's multiple days of stuff. But I just want to say thank you for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Thanks for being a part of the channel. Leave a like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next episode. It's only going to be about a week away when we start taking this car over to Howie, and I'll see you guys soon.